Welcome back, everybody. So today we're going to be taking a look at a fun Halloween product that you might be interested in. I certainly am. If you're like me, you browse Pinterest all the time for fun Halloween inspiration and ideas. So you may have run across something that looks like this. These are garage door monsters. Now, I have just thought these were the greatest thing since sliced bread. For the longest time, they're just kind of a quick, cute, and easy way to add a good amount of decor to your home front. And as we can scroll down, we can see there are lots of different designs. Basically, you have some large eyes and some teeth. You put it around your garage door, and it makes a fun garage door monster. As we scroll down, you can definitely see them in all sorts of configurations and arrangements and monsters, from scary to kind of cute. And this definitely seems like something you can do it yourself. But if you are like me, you're going to turn to Amazon. I saw this actually on Amazon. It came up while I was browsing, and there are a lot of these stickers that you can use to make your garage door or doorway monsters without the hassle of the DIY. And really, they're quite affordable. Look, this is only $3.99. Although I'm not sure how effective that's going to look in real life. But look at all these. I didn't actually notice all of these options. I was scrolling, like I said, I was browsing one day, and I happened to come across this one, and I ordered it right away before even thinking to look for other ones. So we're going to take a look at this one today. This is the CCINEE, which means clearly it is probably something drop shipped from China. And it says Halloween monster face outdoor decoration with eyes, fangs, nostril, garage door, archway, entryway door decorations for Halloween, outdoor decorations, props, supplies. Clearly they're trying to hit all the buzzwords, but let's take a look at some of the pictures here. So we've got a couple of eyes that should be about 11 by 14. There's a nostril here that's, again, about 8 by 7, and then a bunch of different sized teeth. It looks like this one is the biggest here, that's 10 inches by 5, and this one is 4 by 8-ish. All right, description says here, premium quality. The monster face decors are made with high quality PVC material, non-toxic, waterproof, durable, and sturdy. And the printed pattern is clear and vivid without fading. Well, we'll see about that. Super value set. The set includes, well, basically what we just looked at. Spooky creative monster design. Easy to install. The monster face decorations can be placed easily on the surface with foam adhesives. It's suitable for garage, etc. And there's, of course, a wide application. So as we scroll down, well, let's finish looking at the other pictures here, I guess. There you can see them installing it. Again, pictures of what you're going to receive. I don't know why this is white like that. Is it like a peel off? I'm not sure. We'll find out here in a moment. Does look like it's pretty thick. And as you can see here, they are installing some stickers on the back. So let's scroll down and see what some of the comments are and some of the questions. So now this is a good point. Can you stick it to the siding without damaging it after you take it down? Now, I have had a lot of experience sticking things to my house, and it often will pull off the paint if you're not careful. So you want to be very careful with what you use to stick it. I'm not going to use whatever they're going to give me today, and I just caution you on being careful with what you use. Does it glow in the dark? It does not glow in the dark. All right, so 4 out of 5 average stars, 50% of which are the 5-star reviews. Let's see. The first one, however, says do not buy, and I think we can see why. When we click on the picture here, what you see in some of the photoshopped images look much larger than probably how it's actually going to appear in real life. So it's nice to see people, this is, I guess, what they're selling us, and this is what it looks like in real life. So we're going to test this out to find out for sure. But let's see what some of the other people say first. Smaller than how it appears in the photos. Again, something on perspective. This one was missing some items. Scale is off. this person definitely recommends it, but let's see why. Scares my grandchildren on Halloween. It was perfect. She used it indoors versus the garage door, but you can use it anywhere. Has a strong adhesive, but please make sure you are prepared to either paint over your areas once you've taken off the product or find some means of putting something in its place before you stick them because it's very, very strong. Okay, and this one says a bargain. I hope that's the case, that it is a bargain, because, for like $7, I'm willing to chance it. It's certainly going to save me a lot of DIY time because, like I said, it's something that I've always wanted to do. Let's go ahead and open up the shipping package. So it does just come shipped in this little Amazon plasticky bag. And inside, there we go. Go ahead and open it up. Now, the first thing we have here are the adhesives, and like the people warn, be careful to use these. I've also in the past used some of that like sticky putty stuff that's not supposed to damage your walls, but I find that it still does. So today I'm just going to be using good old blue tape that I know is not going to rip the tape or paint off my wall. All right, so this is the biggest sticker. Actually, it is surprisingly, it seems like it's a very good size, so I'm optimistic. Maybe that person, well, a lot of people say the perspective is off. So I guess we'll see once we take it outside. But this seems like it's pretty big in itself. All right, so we got one eye. We've got two eyes. We have, on this side, a nose. And then we have some teeth. Okay, let's count them. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And it looks like, all right, I'm going to just kind of sort these by size here. Now, they're different, obviously. You've got some for the right side, some for the left side, depending on how they're angled. And they're all slightly different sizes, so that's good. It's going to take a minute to kind of sort it all out. But so far, I don't see anything that's just like a repeating pattern, which is nice. It kind of shows that it's a bit of quality. Now, I am noticing offhand, let's see here. Okay, that one looks like it's a little longer. Then we got a little tooth here and a little tooth there. Okay. Oh, here it is. I was getting a little worried. I thought I was missing my other big tooth and I was going to be mad. But it looks like they're all here. We've got everything. I guess let's take it outside, throw it up in the garage and see how it looks. Well, here we go. Honestly, it's not that bad. It looks a lot smaller, I think, in the camera than it really does in real life. Obviously, the perspective is a bit small, especially when you compare it to the photographs on the website. But I think it's not bad. I actually kind of like it. And I think it's, if you're not going to really be putting out a whole lot of decorations, this is quick and easy and fun and gives, a bigger presence than it really is, because you've got this whole garage door that people are going to see and this big old monster. So for what it is and for how cheap it is, I really like it. And if you kind of notice, these are not mirror images of each other on each individual tooth cutout. They'll have different blood splatters and patterns, and I think it actually adds quite a nice little touch. But I do think maybe this would work a little more effectively on a smaller area. So let's go ahead and see where else we can put it. Here we have it over the front door, and I think actually this is the perfect size for it. It definitely kind of keeps the whole group together and looks pretty cute. And I think at night with the light on shining down on the eyes, especially because they don't glow or anything, that light above is really going to shine them up and make them look creepy. And lastly, here we have the fireplace, but really you could put this in so many different places in your home. It's actually quite versatile, and I'm pretty happy with it. I didn't think I would enjoy this as much as I do. I thought it might just be one of those sort of throwaway things that I buy and never actually use, but since you could put this theoretically anywhere, it makes an easy decoration for anywhere in your house, and I love quick and easy, so I definitely recommend this. I will put a link in the description below if you're interested in purchasing it. Please go ahead and use that link if you do purchase it, because it will help support the channel by giving us a referral credit, even though this is not sponsored. So I'm pretty impressed with it. And I don't know if I mentioned it, but like the quality of the material itself is pretty nice. It is actually kind of a plasticky material, so you could leave it outside. Again, I'm not sure that I would. I don't know. I'm just using the blue tape to hold it up, so obviously that wouldn't hold it for very long. But for a party or something for inside, it would probably hold up. I would be a little leery using some of that heavy-duty sticky tape, and I'm not going to try. But if you do, let me know in the comments below how that works out for you. But that'll do it for today. So thanks for watching, everyone. Take care. Stay safe. Happy haunting.